Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here. Another episode of Let's Meal Prep. Another chance to empower you in the kitchen with some great food. Amy behind the camera. Check out those nails.
There we go. Yeah.
Woo. So hopefully the video will stay on while we record.
Not have my fingers in front of it.
We made 2 dishes this week. Actually, you guys, by the time you see this video, you'll be recovering from the Christmas holiday. You still got New Year's.
We're getting ready for it.
Prep for it, still prep for it. You know, it's only 1 meal, maybe 2 if you got leftovers, but you always got meals before and afterwards. So don't forget about those. Plus, having food prepped for you can still help you with your goals. Have food around the house that you can eat that is great, nutrient dense, and you're not still just going out because you didn't prep. So
you just may not need
as much. So, so soups are good. Soups make a lot of can make a lot of servings. Which over here we made just 4 servings on this one. But a new one for us is a chicken and poblano soup. Obviously, it's got black beans and corn in there, and a little bit of cheddar cheese, a little bit of cream, but not too much when you split it between 4 servings. So it's great. And I tasted it. It needs salt, but it's good.
Always.
But it's good. I always use this. Always put the salt at the end. You don't have to put it in the soup. Always you can add it at the end. Everybody loves their different salt tolerances. Amy loves more than I do. Yep. But we are going to top it with some fresh cilantro right there. So we didn't put it in there yet because we are working from home this week. Probably didn't even have to portion it, but at least we can have fresh cilantro on top
I knew
of our
darn
soup.
well I would not cut up cilantro when I was sitting down because Paul was like, oh, we'll just put the cilantro on it when we eat it. And I'm like, yeah, but cut it now, otherwise we won't do it. So it's ready to go.
Then over here, we have made this one before. So we brought it back out because it's a great one. This is a Dijon pork. Actually, you seasoned the pork. That was that
It is seasoned and it's seasoned in a dry rub, and then it's marinated, and then you have a dipping sauce.
Oh, then you have a dipping.
So good.
Okay. So you score or sear the pork tenderloin with that rub, and then put it in the oven and baste it with the sauce, right?
Yes.
And then while that's basting, make this lemon, kale, and orzo salad. It's got some pumpkin seeds in it, cucumber, and carrots. This salad is phenomenal. I just remember this dish, and I just like telling her we got to bring this one back out. And then have just a little simple Dijon and Greek yogurt sauce right there.
Yep.
And then later in the week, we're going to make a ground turkey and sweet potato quinoa chili. We're going to make one with turkey, one without, just a little bit more beans, so you can make it a vegetarian dish if you like. But we're going to bring that to Christmas dinner, but that's going to be after you see this or before you see this video.
We'll make that on Christmas
Eve. Chilies, like I said, stews are great to make. You can make them in obviously in large servings so that you have those around the house. Anything you wanted to add, Ames?
Nope, just plan accordingly. Think about how many meals you need. Don't cook too much. You don't want to waste food, but have stuff handy, ready to go, so that you don't just live off of fattening leftovers.
And if you have extra servings, hey, give one to your neighbor. Be neighborly.
Yeah, there you go.
But hey, try these dishes out if you love them, and have a great holiday season. Have a great new year. You're probably just going to see some recipes we'll pull from the archives for the next couple of weeks because we'll be out of town. We'll be super busy. So, but we'll be fresh for the new year as well. So take care, guys. Have a great new year. Bye-bye.